Hey guys, I just want to share something that I just figured out about my Ryobi Airstrike nailer. I was having a lot of problems with it. It was not firing and I was trying everything. I undid the deal. I took the battery out. Somebody said push the button and then nail it, and it still wasn't nailing, but it was giving the sound that it was going to shoot, but nothing was coming out. So I was having a lot of problems with my gun here. I took my battery out and I don't know why, I just took the nails out. I opened this deal up right here. See how it has the little lever right here, right? So I pulled that up. There's this metal piece that comes out here. It comes out and it shoots the nail out. It was out here all the way and it wasn't it wasn't retracting, I guess you would say. And so finally, I don't know why it occurred to me to push back the little metal piece that kind of comes out to fire the nail. And I discovered that I had a nail stuck right in there, like it was jammed. And once I pulled out this deal, whatever you call that, and I took the nail out, which was this nail that was stuck in there, I put my battery back in. We're DIY renovating our home, so I'm going to test it right here on this wall for you guys. This is our quote-unquote living room area, so I'm going to demonstrate after everything's put back that it works now. Okay, boom, and there's a nail in there. Okay, so I wasn't able to fire this before. It would make that initial sound of it pushing, but nothing was coming out. And I took, whoa Nelly, okay, everybody be careful. So yeah, there's a black piece that goes in here. I pushed it back and I discovered that there was in fact a nail jammed in there. So if all else fails and you're like, why isn't it firing? I'm doing all the things. Take your battery out first, push back that thin little metal that shoots out the nail, and you'll see if there is a nail stuck in there. I have had this thing for a couple years now, and I had not used it for the longest. In fact, I actually bought a DeWalt gun, like a DeWalt nailer that goes to a compressor, because I was sick of dealing with this issue. The DeWalt nailer with the air compressor works beautifully, but there's nothing like not hearing a compressor. So, but I hope that this helps somebody out. Take your battery out first, undo this thing, push back the deal, and see if you have a nail stuck, because it might just be a stuck nail. Hopefully this helps.